Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Light Path. I'm Ashad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. Topic is unique breakthrough plan for a global poverty and global famine. Humanity is suffering badly from great gigantic global poverty and global famine. Think of an old time where a big farmland where around 1,000 people were working, which were later replaced by heavy duty robotic machines, tractors, etc. And now they only need 10 people instead of 1,000. So where should those 990 people will go? And what education they need to go for to get the job or start businesses? If you have better plan, please share with people around the globe. Otherwise, please join together and invite others to join this great noble mission before it gets too late. And who knows, you could be next in line suffering badly from poverty and famine. I don't ask any single penny for this donation, zero donation, and it is unique global charity without asking any single donation, rather full permission from all people and all governments around the world. If Allah asks on the day of judgment, I and those who support this can clearly say we have done our best to invite people to support it, but it is on rest of the people and all the government. Every child is born with true love in his her heart. Later it is society, home, neighbors, institution, etc., which makes him her a hero or criminals. The best guide of children are none but mothers who need a special training to help raise their children to become hero and present a great example for the rest of the world and build whole new world with true love for all humanity. Remember, we are children of Adam and Eve, and we are global brothers and global sisters of a global family. Humanity could have been trapped by criminal masterminds, which is causing global poverty and artificial global famine. In the past, these criminals could have been created some scenario like Dracula to prevent from general public and do their hidden secret agendas in their special reserved places. In modern ages, they might be using modern advanced tools, technology, etc., like science and fiction to fool people and fulfill their hidden secret agendas. Whole Christianity might have been dosed with to sleep no matter what is happening to the humanity by trusting their faith that Jesus, peace be upon him, will come again and fix the world. So till then, keep sleeping no matter what is happening to the rest of the world. Similarly, whole Muslim world might have been put on sleeping doors that when Imam Mahdi will come and he will join along with Jesus, peace be upon him, and fight with the Dajjal, and only then it will be peace in the world. And Imam Mahdi might will not come by the by and not be visible till the Dajjal attacks the Syria, on which could be another trap. Perhaps the Dajjal will not attack Syria, population around 23 million as of 2014, till he finishes wipe out completely all 1.8 billion Muslims. It could be a great gigantic trap to put humanity in sleep. Now it is time for global world to wake up, rise up, and be careful from criminal masterminds, criminal terrorists, and prevent humanity from those by joining global unity without any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, sect, and nationality, rich, poor, young, old, etc. Otherwise, they could be next in line to protect world from criminals, terrorists, masterminds, which is causing global poverty and artificial global famine. We must understand criminal masterminds, and we must need to find the roots of all crimes, starting from mother womb till the grave. Keep in mind what a non-patient mother might do if her child is crying for milk and she don't have money to buy milk for her. Remember when there was a woman driver with 1-year-old child in the back seat killed after 20 police car chase from White House to Capitol on 4th October 2013 at 2:15 p.m. One of the possible reasons could be United States federal lockdown shutdown of 2013 ran from October 1 to October 16, 2013, which had severely affected low-income families and small businesses. Breeding grounds of all kinds of terrorism and crimes are global poverty and global famine, which people are widely available, where people are widely available and do anything for little money for their survival. Criminal masterminds can easily find them, twist them, including their benefits fees, and forcefully use them according to their own desire. Criminal masterminds may also create some scenario by all means, including science fiction, to fool people, to rob the wealth of the world. Criminal masterminds may plan for 100 years, if not thousands of years, to rob the wealth of the whole world in stages. Masterminds may also fool their citizens and create scenario to prove that war is an inevitable and must have to go for war, but in reality, to run their war-related businesses and become richer than ever before, again and again, or rob the wealth of others. Many wars in the past were based on lies and fooled their own citizens. For example, Vietnam War, Gulf War on the issue of weapon of mass destruction in Iraq, Ebola, SARS, AIDS, and chickenpox, etc., could be biological weapons to wipe out people in other parts of the world, as well as creating artificial famine. War is not an option in which economy dies again and again, but love is, which starts from forgiveness, as mentioned in the Quran. Reference Al Quran, chapter 41, verse 35. If two countries are in conflict, war, it lasts for few years or decades, including preparation time, but other supporting countries' economy might boost since these two might be buying tools, etc. from them, and later all collapse while love lasts much longer as they keep loving each other. For example, if in India alone, out of 1.4 billion people, if 1 billion people need cell phone right now, at present time, all cell phone industries together might not be able to produce it right away. Another example is if situation in the Middle East gets stable, perhaps 1% of 1.8 billion Muslims may be interested every year to visit Beit al-Aqsa Masjid in Jerusalem. Think of how much never-ending businesses will grow there and how much benefit their local people will get. The truth about truth have some bitter, sour, painful stages. Ignorant people ignore, ignorant people make fun of it. Ignorant people try to kill the truth. Truth dies when people wage war against each other. People eventually accept the truth as being self-evident. In reality, truth stands out clear from the error and makes you free according to Quran and Bible. Reference Al Quran, chapter 2, verse 256, and reference Bible, Book of John, chapter 8, verse 32. Global world is facing a global economic disaster and needs global revolution. It is not the wealth, gold, silver, power which can save global world. Allah sees Qarun, Haman, Pharaoh, and many more for their crime against humanity, and nothing could save them, not even their wealth, power, or people, etc. The world didn't end there, but it redeveloped. After great revolution, those who have never faced poverty may never understand its solution unless they have really taken guidance from the Quran or have gone for intensive training. It is 100%, it is 100% guaranteed to save the world and to help build our heavenly earth if we truly apply guidance given by the Quran. We can develop the world through our great global revolution. In simple terms, no changes without right actions. It is time now to open our eyes and correct ourselves and to serve humanity in a revolutionized way in the light of Quran, in which all, including rich and poor, can live safe and sound. Since Quran gives the true revolutionized guidance to fix global system to save humanity in a balanced way. No customer, no businesses, more customers, more businesses. good customers, good businesses, healthy customers, healthy businesses. Customers are people, and by saving people, we save the businesses. For better services to customers, we need better healthy employees, which means better benefits for employees, not benefit cuts, job cut, layoff. By laying off employees means increasing more poverty and more famine. We don't know exactly exact date when global poverty and famine started, either 100 years or 500 years or 1,000 years. But for sure, we have solution in the Quran, which teaches us to come to the common point first, without any discrimination of religion, race, sex, gender, color, nationality, rich, poor, young, old, etc., with 100% guaranteed and without any compulsion in religion. Avoid loans and avoid waste and stop greediness as much as possible, keeping in mind how much is too much to help stabilize our heavenly earth. Only true love with humanity in the light of Quran can save the global world with 100% guaranteed. We must join together to fight against global poverty and global famine. Plant fruits and vegetables, etc., in your backyard, on the side of the streets and side of the parks, etc., wherever it is possible and permissible by your government. If you get more fruits and vegetables than you need, then please share with your neighbors, your friends, your relatives, and support following program from the depth of your heart to fix global system which is hurting all. Global world has to be fixed in phases. Phase one, it is in this phase we together need to save all people who are badly suffering from global poverty and global famine. We will feed them, shelter them, educate them, and put all of them on research and development and make them free from burden on rest of the world as much as possible. For this, we must have to use unlimited virtual gold as the new currency only for basic needs, basic survivals, not for luxury, where a sip of wine is luxury, smoking, single smoking is luxury, and will be treated as luxury, but not the computer for since it is for education and studies. All global students will get totally free education along with stipends allowances for their survival so that they can fully concentrate on their studies, which will help to build whole new world heavenly earth. Detailed project guidelines, global agendas need to be developed with full cooperation with all peoples and all governments around the world. Together, we can work on to build whole new world and find the solution to present system in phase two, so that people from phase one can be reemployed, redeployed. We will only give suggestion and recommendation from phase one, and perhaps and pray for them without any force. We will wait forever to fix global world, even if it takes hundreds of years or millions of years, as long as all the people around the world and all the government around the world allows us to run phase one globally using unlimited virtual gold as a new currency, only for basic survival, basic needs, including their studies and research and developments around the globe. All prototype solution and suggestion, etc., will be totally free, where no lessons needed and will be fully allowed for everyone. In phase three, once phase two is fixed, we can move on for cosmetics, luxury, to build heavenly earth. And the sky is the limit. We must make sure that pollutions and etc. and everything are totally under control. I invite you all to join this unique, great global mission and invite others to join it to save humanity from global poverty and global famine, which will sure gradually reduce global crime as well without any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, language, nationality, etc. Roadblockers to humanity are those who don't join it, as well as those who do nothing to save humanity. Repeatedly relying on the same corrupt or incompetent person will not change the fortune of a nation or global world. Do not even think to reappoint those who were failed to protect corruption in the land. Media must play an active role. Thank you.